Here's a few more. There's for hot air right there, compressed. One of the little small engines here. Look at that. This is stuff all you guys know so much about, so if you want to turn around and comment on them, go ahead. This is a Ryder Arison Engine Company. Oh, they're the ones who made this one. Cool. In New York. I don't see a date, or I can't see it from here. Alright. Well, if you know about these pieces, go ahead and leave a comment. Wow. Looks like a little wood stove hooked up to it. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Alright. There you go. You'll find this at the Owlheads Museum. We're in Maine, Owlhead, Maine. So come on down, visit Maine, and come in and see it.